What's up guys, OnePlus has released a video of its OnePlus Concept One smartphone with the invisible camera. We still don't know if the OnePlus Concept One will be a foldable phone or not, but the latest teaser from the company reveals a unique invisible camera based on color shifting glass. The camera lenses are concealed under what appears to be dimmable glass, basically a 1 pixel LCD. The tech is apparently borrowed from the optional sunroof on the McLaren 720S and other models. This will make for a sleek design, especially now that multi-camera setups have made phones to look bug-eyed. OnePlus also shared the concept drawing of the phone, and there is a vertical line that divides the phone in two, with the top part where the cameras are widening a bit. You can see exactly this part in the official teaser. Interestingly, this vertical line seems to be framed by stitching, meaning the phone has leather back, likely papaya orange, and the trademark McLaren color. Also notice there is no camera bump, which makes the phone look even sleeker. The OnePlus Concept One will be revealed at CES 2020 on January 7. As the name suggests, this device will not be commercially available, but the OnePlus 8 may sport an invisible camera. So these are the things we know about the OnePlus One concept phone, which will be revealed in CES 2020. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.